Hello and welcome to Boats and Engines. Today we're going to be building a vacuum forming machine. So this is the start of a project. You can see it's all made out of just leftover scrap plywood. The top and the bottom's just 11mm and the sides 18mm plywood. And I've drilled holes every 30mm, so that's just over an inch. And there's 420 holes in total. So this vacuum forming manifold or bed, it measures 480mm by 8. So I think using this is a better method and cheaper than using a standard shop vac or vacuum cleaner. So you can pick up scrap upright vacuum cleaners from the dump for nothing. They're free basically. So I think we're about ready to try a vacuum form. This is the heater setup, and it's just 4 bits of ply with hinges so it all folds flat, and 2 halogen heaters. I use these just because they're low enough power that I can run 2 off a 13 amp plug, and it has quite spread out radiant heat. Here's the mould that we're going to be using. So this is made out of plaster of Paris, and I just moulded it in my normal fiberglass mould. If you want to see how I made the mould for this, then at the end, on the end screen, I'll put a little pop-up screen thingy with a link to the video showing how to make the mould for this. And vacuum cleaner. Oh yeah, and here's the material. So all I've got is 1mm high impact polystyrene, and it's just stapled down to this frame of wood. So I'll set the camera up and we'll give it a go. It's heating up now. Just put it on, and what I'll do is I'll actually put a piece of cardboard over this just to trap in some of the heat, and it will take about 5 minutes probably to get up to temperature. Then I'll turn the heater off, turn the vacuum on and transfer it over. So that came out pretty well. It has one issue, which is this webbing here, and I think that's probably due to it being a little bit too hot. I don't want it any colder or it won't pick up the detail. So I think what I'll do is put in a couple of little squares of wood here and here, here and here, and that should stretch out and prevent this from happening. Yeah, but otherwise I think it looks pretty nice. Oh, and it's released. Good news. I'm Chris, and this is my channel, Boats and Engines. If you want to check out some of my other content, then please just click here, or if you want to subscribe, click here.